Good afternoon, students. So today we discuss about projection formula. Projection formula. So if we have ABC and with cos, then A equal to B cos C minus C cos B. If A is equal to, then formula is A equal to B cos C minus plus C cos B. And if we have B, then B is equal to A cos C cos A. C cos A plus A cos C. And if there is C, then A cos B plus B cos A. So this is projection formula, and from using the formula we solve some questions with exercise that belong in exercise 5b. So let's start with question number 19. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. As question number 18 is given cos A upon A. Question number 18. Cos A upon A plus cos B upon B plus cos C upon C equal to, we have to prove that A square plus B square plus C square divided with 2ABC. Okay? So, as we know that cos A with cosine formula, cos A means B square plus C square minus 2 minus A square. B square plus C square divided by A square with 2BC multiplied with A. Here also cos B. So cos B means C square plus A square minus B square divided with 2AC multiplied with B. And now cos C. Cos C means A square plus B square minus C square with 2AB multiplied with C. So, you see that 2ABC, 2ABC, 2ABC. If we find LCM, then we get 2ABC. Now, we have got B square plus C square minus A square plus C square plus A square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square. Here B square plus B square minus cancel out, C square plus C square minus cancel out, and minus A square plus A square cancel out. Now we get only A square plus B square plus C square divided with 2ABC. So this is our right hand side, and that is asking in the question. So this is true. Now see this question with exercise 19. So 19 question is same as here. Projection formula is obtained and we can solve this question with same edge. Okay. Now we see question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. As question number 20 is given 1 plus cos A minus B, 1 plus cos no question number here we see that question number 21. Question number 21. Question number 21. So question number 21 says that prove that b square minus c square divided with a into cos a plus c square minus a square, c square minus a square divided with b into cos b plus a square minus b square divided with c into cos c equal to 0. So as we take left side of the question, then we get b square minus c square with a multiply with cos a. Cos a means b square plus c square minus a square divided with 2bc. Okay. Plus here c square minus a square, c square minus a square divided with b multiply with cos b. Cos b means c square plus a square minus b square divided with 2ac. 2ac are इसलिए both are acceptable. Plus a square minus b square divided with c multiply with the value of cos c. Cos c means a square plus b square minus c square divided with 2ab. So here we take 2abc, 2abc, 2abc LCM. We get 2abc. If we multiply the question, we get b square with b square, b power 4, b square with c square, we get b square c square, b square with a square, we get minus a square b square. Similarly, minus, so minus plus minus minus b square c square minus minus b to the power 4, then minus c minus plus a square c square. Similarly, we get all the values with this, so c power 4 c to a plus c square a square means we have to multiply all the factors with all values. So c power 4 c power c square square, then c square minus c square b square. Now minus a square c square, then minus a power 4 and minus minus plus we get a square b square, and the same is here plus a power 4, then a power plus a square b square, a square minus c square minus b square a square minus plus minus b power 4 and minus minus plus b square c square. Okay, when we cut minus plus minus plus minus plus, so we all the values get cancelled, we get 0. What we get? 0. So 0 divided by 2ABC, we get 0. In the question, we find 0 divided with 2ABC and we get 0. This is our right hand side. So BC question. Next question in the next classes. Thank you for watching.